how can yoga restore our rhythmic cycles and reconnect us to the source of all vitality. Practicing yoga out in nature, that's what I'm doing here today. Practicing honoring the power of life, honoring Prana Shakti, offering with love from our hearts into the earth, and doing this beautiful practice that actually nourishes the very source of our vitality through a respectful reconnection with the earth, which is the source of all life here in the heavens wood streams. Delighted to be sharing these beautiful, beautiful practices for all of your nourishment, nurture and reconnection. She whose body is the earth, I honor her.